welcome to Simple Hobby Homesteading. I am Jenna. If you're new here, let me introduce myself. I'm Jenna. And those that aren't new here, I'm still Jenna, just a little different. As you can see, I do have a wonderful sling. I had rotator cuff surgery, and it was a huge blessing. We thought going in that it would maybe, possibly, probably, whatever be a total shoulder replacement, but it ended up being where the surgeon thinks he was able to fix it well enough that it'll stay, everything will hold, the tendons will hold, and using anchors and sutures and all sorts of wonderful things in there. So long story short, I did not have to have a full shoulder replacement, which is beautiful news for a woman of 45 years old. And so I was very, very happy that it was just a repair surgery, and we'll see how things go. I get to have this on for, I think it's 6 weeks, and at least 6 weeks, and for the first like 4 or 5 weeks, I just do PT where they stretch the arm and elbow. I don't do any kind of exercises on my own. It's just all passive where they move my arm without me triggering any of the muscles or tendons. And then after that, I start regular physical therapy where I actually do the exercises, and then we have active movement of the shoulder. So this is well, I don't want to say the most annoying thing on the planet, because there's plenty more annoying things. But I have got some of the most amazing friends and family, and one friend of mine, it's a family friend, and I'm looking into the camera here. They say the camera adds 10 pounds. Well, I think the camera plus a sling adds about 40 pounds, or maybe I've just put a little bit of weight on over the holidays. This is after Thanksgiving, before Christmas. It's in that time where, yeah, you start adding on the pounds, I imagine. So who knows, whatever. I'm just looking at the camera thinking, oh my gosh, I look fat. But that's okay, whatever. Let's jump into something, an unboxing that I'm super excited about. If you hear dogs, as usual, I think this should be like a general PSA at the beginning of all my videos. There are dogs. In every video, you'll hear pitter-patter. Athena's right here. Nikki is not in here right now. Echo's not in here right now. Anyways, Athena, you're fine. Go lay down. We're going to unbox this. So let me explain a little bit where this came from. This wasn't just a get well from my surgery just because of that. This was something a friend, Athena, enough. This is something a friend does every year. Her name is Lisa, and she gets together. At the beginning, it was just like her granddaughters and some of their friends that they did it with. But now the last, I think, 2 years, it's been a whole group thing at our church, and friends of the church and whoever can come, but it's mostly from the folks from our church. She's just invited everybody and made it a bigger event, which is awesome. And what they're called are blessing boxes, or giving boxes, no, blessing boxes, blessing baskets. And what they do is they get all these kids together, and a parent usually comes with just to kind of supervisor help, but they get all these kids together, and the kids make crafts. A lot of times Lisa will have, she might have like each family bring, if they have like, 30 kids, maybe bring 30 little things maybe to put in the basket. Or I think this year she just asked every family to chip in $5, and then she bought a lot of the little things to go in here, the things that other than what they made. I don't know what's in here, so I'm curious to see what all she put together, because this year I think she had asked for like $5 per family, and then she went ahead and bought, I think, all the filling stuff for the baskets. And so the parents didn't have to worry about buying things. They could just, do $5, which is usually in the craziness of the seasons. It's a better option sometimes just to do a little bit of cash and save your time and your leg work and you're running around. But also she got donations, I think. Well, I know I donated lotions. I think last year I did lotions as well, maybe, or soaps. Maybe it was soaps. I can't remember if I did anything last year, but this year I gave her a bunch of little lotions for all the kids to put in their baskets. And so what the kids do is the kids get together on like a Saturday, and they do a bunch of crafts, and the crafts are in here too, and then they put together a basket. Each kid puts together one basket, and then they get to choose who they give that basket or that box to. So the kid just brings a box or a basket, and then they end up filling it with all the things and all, I don't know what's in here, so I'm excited to see, all the things, and then they do crafts, and they put that in there too, and then the kid gets to decide who to give that box or basket to, which that's the part of it, honestly, that I absolutely love. Because a lot of times parents, they kind of take charge and they say, okay, we're going to do this for this person, we're going to do this for that person, whatever. They don't let the kids decide. And so this is so neat where the kid gets to decide who they give it to, whether it be a neighbor, a grandparent, a friend at church, or I think they need to give it to an adult. I think that's one of the rules. They have to give it to an adult. I think. I don't know, Lisa, I'll check with you and double check. But it's just a really neat way for kids to develop good relationships with other adults and to show other adults, a lot of times like neighbors, or like when I got this one. So, and I don't think I've ever gotten one of these boxes before. Maybe I did a couple years ago when Lisa did it with her grandkids. Maybe not. I can't remember exactly. Or maybe I just donated some stuff. I can't remember. But this year I got a box from one of the little girls in our church, and actually the family I know, and it's one of Lisa's granddaughters. I know her whole family very well. And this was Jana Rose's daughter, Adele, decided to give her blessing box to me this year. And I cannot tell you how excited I was when I found this out. Jana Rose got a hold of me and she said, Jenna, I need to get with you sometime. Adele's got something for you, or she said one of my girls has something for you. And I mean, those little girls are so creative. They're making things all the time. So I didn't really think anything of it. But the day before my surgery, I was able to get together with Jana Rose at the church, and Adele gave me this basket. And I was so happy because I happened to have a few extra soaps in my truck. And so I gave her a couple homemade soaps just as a thank you for her giving me this basket. But I'm going to unbox this basket with you guys because I'm so excited. And today I just kind of need a lift me up for my spirits because I'm hurting. My shoulder's hurting. And so yeah, if anyone wants a whole video on the ins and outs of a rotator cuff surgery and recovery and the surgery and blah, 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 let me know and I'll do that video. But today we're just going to get into this box. So first of all, I have this awesome artwork. And like, I don't know if I said, Lisa usually does this around Thanksgiving, like right before Thanksgiving, and the boxes usually all go out by Thanksgiving. So Adele made this awesome picture, which is a pumpkin, and I'm going to put it in my recording room. Right now it's a mess, and so that's why I'm recording in the kitchen. But it's a pumpkin, it says fall greetings, and I love it. And she is only, I think, how old is, I don't know how old Adele is, but she's way too young to be doing this good of artwork and to be writing this well in cursive. Yeah, she's just incredible. The pumpkin's incredible. I mean, this is so awesome. So this is going to go in the studio because I love it. So let's go ahead and unbox what's in the box. So another crafty thing they must have done. Oh my goodness. It's like a sun catcher. It goes in the window. I'm definitely going to hang this up. And it's got some flowers, some pressed flower stickers. I thought those were real pressed flowers. They're actually stickers. Some stickers and some hearts and some cute little, it says thoughts. And this is a really good idea. I wonder what they used. Maybe just the frames are perfect. And then it's just like a sticker paper or something like that. But that is so cute. So in that, and they got to create that all on their own, and oh, that's gorgeous. Are those pressed flowers? No, they're stickers. They look just like pressed flowers. And you could use pressed flowers, but those stickers are just beautiful because they look just like pressed flowers. All right, so that's adorable. And then, oh, look at this. Oh, this is another craft they did. They glued pine cones and stuff with a little candle. And I actually have, that's so funny because I have a candle burning right now. I love candles. And so this is adorable as well. And some dried fruit, some dried oranges on there, and some pine cones. I wonder if, oh, they don't smell at all. But, oh, this candle. Ooh, I don't think the candle has a scent. Maybe it does when it starts being lit. But, oh, that's adorable, too. And I guess Lisa probably just got the pine cones and the things and then this base. And all the kids got to do that. And then she got the little votive candles. So that's a really cute idea, too. Oh, that's adorable. All right, some tissue paper. Who doesn't love tissue paper? And my first snack, which is Made Good Granola Minis Mixed Berry. So she probably just got some boxes of these, and those are really cute. I will probably eat these here in a minute because that looks really good. All right, so I love the homemade stuff, the crafty stuff, the homemade stuff. That's the stuff I really love. Oh, look at this. This is so cute. It's another hanging thing, and it's like pieces of wood that I'm guessing maybe Joel cut. Her husband is a really good woodworker, and so maybe he just cut some of these logs. And on this, it has a smiley face on the top, and it's got blessed on the bottom. And so that's a really cute thing to hang. Oh, I will definitely hang that stuff. See, we don't have much of that stuff around the house because my boys were never really into arts and crafts much at all. Maybe when they were itty bitty, but I don't have and now of course my boys are 25 and 20, and so they're definitely not doing the arts and crafts things like this anymore, but I love having that stuff hanging up just because it's fun and whimsical. And so I'm going to hang that. I have a bunch of friends that for the longest time, one of my good friends, Casey, I'd get together with her all the time, and her kids would make artwork and stuff, and I'd put it on my fridge because they send it to me or give it to me. And the boys always made fun of me. They're like, why do you have other kids' artwork on your fridge? I'm like, because, and these one of my boys were like adults, and they were like, or maybe in their late teenage years, and I was like, because you don't make anything for me, so I have to put other kids' artwork on the fridge. Same thing with this. I get to hang other kids' crafty stuff around the house because my boys don't make it, which I understand why. That's fine. So, ooh, we have some hot cocoa mix. That's always a good thing to put in. Everyone loves a good cup of hot cocoa in the winter. And we've got some nice, ooh, foaming hand soap. Gentle Rose Water Arm & Hammer Foaming Hand Soap. That's awesome. We're definitely going to use that. I love that. That's a good idea. Wow. I wonder where Lisa got those. Those are kind of expensive, I would think. And one of those went in all the baskets. I'm impressed. Oh my goodness. Okay, so they must have been reading my mind because I got, and maybe I wasn't supposed to get 3 of them, but I'm glad I did. I got 3 pairs of scissors. Look at this, 3 pairs of scissors. And I was just thinking, I need a pair, so we have 2 pairs of scissors in the kitchen. And I was just thinking, I need a pair of scissors really in every room. I need a pair in the laundry room. I need a pair in my recording room. I need a pair in my office. And I always use the 2 pairs here in the kitchen. So I needed 3 more pairs of scissors. So thank you so much. That was genius. I'm hoping I didn't steal 2 pairs of scissors from somebody else's basket. But if I did, Adele, thank you. Thank you for scrounging 2 extra pairs of scissors for me. If I was supposed to get all 3, then thank you so much, Adele. You are amazing. So I'm going to put 1 in my office, I'm going to put 1 in the laundry room, and 1 in my recording room. So that's awesome. And why I have 2 pairs in the kitchen, 1 is for food stuff that always hangs up there, and the other's over there for like soaping, lotion, like just general paper stuff. But the food scissors are always sanitized and stuff. That's why they're food scissors, for opening any kind of food packaging. So that is, and who would think? I mean, honestly, this is awesome. This is probably the best thing in there so far. Although, no, I like the things that were made better. I don't know if they're all tied, but that's practical. And I like that they've got some practical things in here as well as, you know, the cutesy things. So, ooh, next, very practical. What do you call those? Notepads, sticky notepads or just little notepads. Those are adorable. I'll definitely use those in the kitchen. Ooh, Rice Krispie Treats. Who doesn't love Rice Krispie Treats? I do love those. Oh my gosh, there's more. Folks, I hit the jackpot on Rice Krispie Treats. 6 Rice Krispie Treats. And once again, Adele, if you're only supposed to grab 1, girl, you good, because you got me 6. She's like, I know Jenna. Jenna likes Rice Krispie Treats. She'll eat more than that. So I'll give her 6. So if you were only supposed to put 1 in there, I won't tell anybody, I promise. Other than everybody's seen this. But I love you, Adele. And then we have some chocolate chip cookies. 2 bags of chocolate chip cookies, which, yummy. Oh, wait, no, 1 Oreo. Ooh, I gotta watch out. Jackson will steal these. Oreo and chocolate chip cookies. This is genius, but once again, a little expensive. I'm surprised. Ricola cough drops. I love these things. These are so good. Oh, I love Ricola. And anytime you got like a sore throat or something, that's definitely something that's needed. So then we have Dove Body Love Rich Nutrient Cream. Face and body. Ooh, I like that too. Like a cream. I'm gonna have to try that. Oh, I can't open things with my arm. That's one thing with this surgery. I can't, because you would not believe the muscles and tendons that are fired when you, and fired by me and fired are used when you turn or when you try to open something. So if I try to open it, I might be able to hold it with my right hand, but if like I tried to open it with my right hand, that motion of turning makes the muscles all the way up to here actually fire, actually work. And so I can't do that. So maybe if I hold it, but I can't turn with my left hand because of the stroke. I don't have great dexterity with my left hand. And so, okay, I can't open this right now because I want to smell it. I want to smell it so bad. But so every time I have to open something with a top, the boys or Kevin have to help me. And so we have, ooh, Halls cough drop. Are these, how does she know me? Honey lemon are the kind I love. I'm not a huge fan of the menthol ones. Kevin likes those. But there we go. Ooh, these 2 are good. The Halls Assorted Citrus. These are almost like candy for me. So I wonder if these do help with like a sore throat. Tons of vitamin C in these, but I've had these before and they're almost like candy, which I kind of like too. So I love candy. Oh, there's a note. Shoot. We should have read the note first. I didn't know there was a note in there. It's a homemade note. So let me just tell you, homemade cards, I love them. I love, this is adorable. adorable. Oh, they did so good. It says thankful on it, and it's got pumpkins, and it says, hope your shoulder surgery goes well. Love, Adele Sharp. I love her because Jonna Rose and the Glant family and the Sharp family, because they're good friends of mine, and they're in our church. They did know that I was heading into surgery, and I was nervous about this surgery, and so I've had such great outpouring of love and letters and notes and cards just wishing me getting well and what do you need, what can we bring you, what can we do for you, just so much of that, which, oh, I love my church body, I love my friends, I love my family. My family's a little bit too far away to help out really. They're up in Wisconsin and North Carolina and Virginia, but all right, so we've got pens and pencils. Always need pens and pencils. That's good and practical. I love that. And we've got Kleenex, little packages of Kleenex. They know, like the winter season, these are things we need. I love this. I love this. And cute little packages. Chip clip. Although it's got a magnet on it, so I don't think it's a chip clip. I think it's supposed to go on the fridge. And this has a little fox with an owl. That's adorable. Hold on, that's going on the fridge now. There we go. That's on the fridge now. Love it. And popcorn. Some lovely popcorn, microwave popcorn. I love that. And we have more Kleenex. So I don't see the little lotions that I gave Lisa in. I gave Lisa a whole box of little lotions to put in these gift boxes, but I bet she didn't put one in there because she knew it was coming to me, and she's like, Shanna probably doesn't want her own lotions. But I got a new lotion, which is awesome, this Dove one. I'll have to check with Lisa and make sure she got that box of lotions. I left it on her porch, so I'm hoping she got it. But it's just little itty bitty jars of our goat's milk lotion. But oh my goodness, so what a haul with all of this stuff. I'm going to take a picture with everything so it's kind of a good maybe thumbnail or something. But this is something that is so neat and so wonderful, and I know kind of the logistics of it in case you want to do this. Lisa did have people sign up ahead of time how many kids, because each kid made one basket. That's how she knew how many items she needed. And so I don't know how the actual event went. I wasn't there for that. I think I was on vacation or something. Oh yeah, Kevin and I went on a cruise. And so we were on vacation for the actual event. Otherwise I probably would have gone just to see how they do it. But I think I don't know if kids like go through a line and pick up one of each thing. So I don't know how it works, but I think she had one of everything for each basket, or 6, like with the Rice Krispie treats. And then they put them in the baskets, and then they do their crafts. And so I'm not sure exactly how she does it, but I know she had a head count of how many kids were going to be there. So she knew how many items she needed or how many supplies of the crafts things that she needed. But it's just a really neat idea because it helps the kids understand what it's like to bless someone else and what it's like to make someone else's day. And so Adele, this goes to you. Thank you so much. I love you. And this was the best surprise today. I've had this for a little bit and I hadn't unboxed it because I pretty much slept the first week after surgery. And so just getting around to it now, and I'm glad I waited to a day where I was kind of not in the best of moods because I was hurting, but this has made, dopamine hit over the roof. This has made me in a much better mood, and a reminder of how many people are thinking of me and how many folks love me and how everyone's just hoping that I get well soon. And so that just helps me through those hard days for sure. So thank you again, Adele, and I love you all. And just as a closing, remember to do what you can with what you have wherever you are. And thank you all again for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. I'm looking forward to getting back into the videos, of course. I really want to. Life just gets crazy, but I'm going to try. I did take a bunch of video from our last cruise, so I'm going to be putting up a cruise video, which is very neat. And so, yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.